All right, so far we have designed 2 pages of our web page. We have designed our home page and we just completed our blog posts pages. Now there are a few pages left to design. Let's take a look again at our sketches. Now we said we want to add one contact page that allows the visitors to easily contact the owner of the page. And in order to incentivize people to contact you, you can either display your email address or you can create a contact form. A contact form looks more professional and it has the advantage that you don't need to disclose your email address. Let's add a contact form with Webflow, which is super easy, and Webflow will handle all your form submissions for you. Let's do exactly that. Now, in order to add the contact page, we have to add a new page. And again, if you are currently using a free account, you will notice that you only have a limit of adding 2 pages. So there are several options for you right now. The easiest option is to upgrade your account. Either you buy hosting or you upgrade your account. Now there is a different video in which I explain both options and in which I show you how to do it. It's going to be linked below in the description. However, if you do not currently want to pay for it, you can either remove the style guide and make sure that you apply the settings we did in the style guide to elements directly on the home page, or you integrate the contact form on the home page itself. Just create another section below, and that allows you to try it out without having to pay for it. However, unfortunately, if you want to add another page from now on, you will have to pay for it. And that's the way how Webflow does its money. So I have an account which allows me to add more than 2 pages. So I can create a new page without upgrading because I'm paying for it. All right, let's get started and add a contact page. In order to do that, I'm gonna create a new page and call that one contact. And then let's hit create. There we go. We have an empty canvas. Let's get about and filling that. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to again add a navigation bar to this page. So go to add element, symbols, and then choose the navigation bar we created early on and just drag and drop it onto the canvas and to the body. And now you see the logo is already fixed, since we fixed that in the previous page. Then, as I'm going to add a second element, I'm going to add a hero image. Again, I'm going to give it a new class of, let's say, contact page hero image. And let's keep this one a bit smaller. So I'm going to give it 400 pixels height. And make sure I'm going to select a background image. All I have to do is choose the image. I again uploaded one image already. And let's make sure it covers the whole page. And there we go. We have our hero image. Let's now add a contact form below. All right, let's add another section. And so I'm going to again drag and drop a section into the body, give it a class name. And inside that section, I'm going to add a container. And inside this container, let's add a heading. Give it a class name. Maybe we can recycle one of our previous heading classes and make this centered as well. So let's call this text centered and replace this. All right, then let's add a div block in which we can then drop our form. And in order to add a form, all I have to do is scroll down to the forms section and then choose the form block and drag and drop it into the div block we just added. There we go. Now this is our first form. Let's go about and manipulate the form a bit and make it look exactly how we want it to look like.